Hello, today we're at Selly Manor House.
Yes, Selly Manor House is in Bournville, just outside Birmingham. Selly Manor is a timber-framed building in Bournville that was moved to its current site in 1916 by chocolate manufacturer and philanthropist George Cadbury.
It was originally a 15th century farmhouse that by the early 20th century had fallen into disrepair.
George Cadbury bought the building in 1907 and moved it from Selly Oak 1 mile away to its current location in Bournville for use as a museum.
Today the manor is a hands-on museum with 6 rooms to discover, including the kitchen, hall, parlour and bed chambers.
You can discover many items of Tudor and Stuart furniture and objects from the Cadbury collections.
There are also a number of items at the museum, including armour and costumes that you can try on, as well as objects you can handle and smell.
The manor is 3 stories high. The oldest section is built with timber framing, featuring wattle and daub walls.
The building had been extended during the reign of Henry VIII, with the newest area of the house added in the Elizabethan period.
There are also some lovely historic gardens to walk in that surround the manor house.
Also on the site is Minworth Greaves, a building with a single main hall which dates from the 13th century and was also moved to the site by the Cadbury family.
It was purchased for use as spares for the manor house, but later rebuilt in its current location in 1932.
The manor house is in the heart of the model village of Bournville that was created by George and Richard Cadbury and is the starting point of the Bournville Heritage Trail.